The last thing we need to do for the frames is to add flanges. So what I'm doing is extruding the outer edge of the frame, the guideline there, in the X direction. And that's creating a surface. This one I'm going to do in the reverse direction because the door is there. So really just pick a direction that makes sense based on any cutouts. Try and do the majority of them in the same direction though. And I'm going to do a Z pattern, Z cross section for the frames. So whenever possible I'm going to have them go in opposite directions. That is the inner and the outer flange. For things around the door, though, I'll have them go in both directions, or both in the same direction, away from the door. Same thing with the front frame. They will go into both in the same direction in the very first frame. So anyway, once you have all the outer flanges done, I'm going to make a thick surface out of them. First, I'm going to create a formula though for the frame flange thickness, and we'll call that 0.064 times that to convert it to meters. And reverse direction, remember, useful tip, once you type that in once, copy it, and so you can paste it in the rest of them. So now you can see our flange has thickness. Pasted. Make sure it goes in on the inward direction, and just do that for all of the frames. And then I change the color to match when I'm done. Now for the inner frame, it's the exact same process. Like I mentioned, I want to do a Z cross section whenever possible, just because that's what I choose. If you want to do C everywhere, that's fine. That's fine. But since I'm doing a Z, some of them it is not convenient to do a extrusion from the frame in either one or the other direction. So I'm just going to do C in the most convenient direction, such as this one, and as well as the ones by the door. And I'm going to create a measurement here, or sorry, a formula for the inner flange thickness, just in case you want it to be different from the outer flange. I have them the same, but you never know what you want to change. So as much modularity as you can build into it, the better, just in case you need to change things later. And so I have the inner frames built. And you just do that for each of the frames, and that's all there is to it.